think I could.
Wow, we're going so fast.
First time in a gondola.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Yeah, the doors are closing.
Woohoo! Yeah. Oh, I see one. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. From Peppa Pig, when Daddy Pig one day with a stone, he was so scared.
Yeah.
All right, we got Mountain Village.
I know.
Bye. It's so
Know what?
I see number 11.
Dad, it's so cool in here.
No, it's scary. We're
It's
getting
so
to
cool.
fly.
Look at that cabin. Whoa. Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah, buddy.
It's scary. Look how big it is. We're really
Beautiful.
Yeah, I can just stand.
Look.
Hi. We're gonna get back down there at 9.
It does say no.
Here we are. We are at, what's the point? San Sofia Station, 10,540 feet. And we're getting ready to take the plunge.
No. I'm scared to fall. You guys get ready to fall?
I'm scared.
No. No,
It
it's
goes
just
so
for now.
down.
It
Oh
goes
no.
fast.
No.
Stop.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh my goodness. That
This
is
scares me so much.
It's okay, guys. Wow.
Look at that tram.
Whoa.
We can see.
Oh,
We're almost at the
that
mountains.
is Telluride.